last lesson, Aditya, I was discussing with you about conditional statements. Okay. Today I'm going to discuss with you about looping statements. So we'll go to the design tab, add a label here, and let's give a text to the label that is looping statements. This is going to be the topic for the day, looping. Could you also do this, Aditya, along with me? Okay, we'll add a button.
Okay, I did this. I already did this with you.
Yes, very good. Okay, so we add a button. Okay, let's change the text of the button also to click. Now, Aditya, what is the task? We need to understand the concepts of loops. Okay, and what do you mean by loop? We'll understand through the program. So I will go to the code section. In the code section, we'll go to the UI controls and we'll drag this on events. You can shuffle between the show block and the show text. I will change the on event ID to button 1.
Yeah, I did that.
Very good. Now Aditya, go to show text. In the show text, we'll add some features, we'll write some code here. Since the program we are trying is to make a loop, okay, and loop means what? Loop means
I can't find my projects. So because I remember doing that project already. Hello? Hello?
yeah, we are quickly re-revising it so that we can add new features to it. Okay?
Okay, we're doing that now.
So say I'm writing the name Aditya 1 time, 2 times, okay, I'll say 3 times. So when I type in the name with the right method, right command, your name Aditya would appear on the screen. And since it is typed 3 times, when I click on the run button and click on the click button, your name would appear Aditya, Aditya, Aditya thrice. But if I want the name to appear, say, okay, I'll just quickly put this down so that we get a proper visibility of the outputs on the screen. So get your name appearing thrice. Now Aditya, if I want your name to appear, say, 10 times or say 20 times, then copying and pasting Aditya 20, 10 times would be a lengthy process. So what we can do is we can tell the computer, we can give instructions to the computer informing him that I want to start from 1 and go up to 10, and whatever I tell you, say write Aditya, is to be printed that many number of times.
Now, instead of writing write Aditya, why don't you do loop Aditya?
Yes, so that only we are discussing. That why don't we use a loop, right? Do you recollect how to use the loop, Aditya?
No.
Okay, good. So I will quickly revise with you. Aditya, how we use the loop is that we tell the computer that there is a start. What is the start? From where we want to start? So I will tell the computer that start from 1. And what is the end? We will tell the computer the end is say 10. So this is my, always in the loop there is going to be a start and an end. And it will contain only one time what is to be printed. Say I want write Aditya to be printed. How many times? Anything between 1 and 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this till 10 times. But
Can you go to like 20 and stuff?
Yes, we can go up to 200, 2000 also.
Okay.
So say write 20. So always there is start and an end. And within this 1 and 20, everything is to be printed. So how we tell the computer to do this for me is with this one line. We tell while you start from 1, that is the start value is 1, and you go up to what? You go up to the end. So start from 1 for me, and if the start is less than, and go up to what? Till the start is less than equal to end. Means what? We are telling the computer that this is the range, start and end. Okay, and this part, while statement, if it's true means if it's this condition, this is the condition written here, and if the condition is yes, it will go into the body of the while. The computer processing will go into the body. This is the body. Line number 5, 6, and 7 is the body of the while. If I ask you, Aditya, is this statement true or false? Is start less than equal to end? This means is 1 is less than equal to 20.
Yes.
Very good. So as you say yes, yes means true, means it will go into the body of the while. What about this, Aditya? If I just change things a bit, if I ask this to you, this start is equal to end.
What? I can't hear you.
Okay, but you can see here, is start is greater than equal to end.
No.
Very good. 20 is not greater or equal to 1. So if it's no, the computer processing will not go into the body of the while. If I try to do this, Aditya, see, let's check it out. When I run, click, nothing happens. No write command is printed. Why no write command is printed? Because it is not going into the body of the while. Why it is not going into the body of the while? Because the condition here is no. If the condition is yes, only then it will go into the body of the while. How the condition become yes? When I change some arrow signs here, greater than, less than, I tell is start less than equal to end, is 1 less than equal to 20, yes, it will go. And what I tell the start, I need to stop it somewhere. Okay, so I tell start equal to start plus 1. With this, what will happen, Aditya? This is called as, I'll comment it here, incrementation or decrementation. And this line is called as the condition. And this is called as the, we need some words here for you, initialization. So what happens, Aditya? Let's go through the complete program now, understand the complete code. We ask, is start less than equal to end? Is 1 less than equal to 20? Yes. 1 is less than 20. So since it's yes, it will go into the body of the while. In the body of the while you have written, whatever is written in the body of the while would be executed. We have written write Aditya. So write Aditya would appear on the screen one time. Then we'll change the start value. The start value I'm changing to what? Start equal to start plus 1. Equal to's right side part is given to the left side. The start current value is what? 1. 1 plus 1. The new value of start becomes what? 2. When it becomes 2 and there's a closing of the while, so again it will go up. It will check the condition with the new value of start. The new value of start is right now 2. So again it will ask, is 2 less than equal to 20? Yes, 2 is anytime less than 20. So since it is yes, again to go into the body of the while. It will print the write Aditya second time. Then the start value will become 3. Again it will check, is 3 less than 20? Yes. Since it is yes, it will print Aditya third time. Then 4, then 5, then 6. Like this it will go up to 20. When the start value becomes 21, then it will again check, is start, that is 21 greater, is less than equal to 20? Is 21 less than 20, Aditya?
No.
No. So as it is no, it will not go into the body of the while. Mean these two lines won't be executed now. So when we run the program and check, I'll be getting Aditya printed 20 times.
Yes.
Did you type this program?
Yeah, I'll type it now. I typed most of it.
Very good.
I'm doing it on the wrong account. Let me do it one more time, okay? Can you please
Yes,
click show blocks?
yes, Aditya. No, we will try. Go to the show text, Aditya. And in the show text, if you type, it will be faster. You take your time, Aditya. You're doing for the first time. So I want you to properly understand and do it. It's a very important concept which we are doing.
Can you please copy paste the last word, incrementation or decrementation?
Okay. This is a comment, Aditya. If you don't write it also, that is fine.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it works.
Very good. So if you just reset, if you run it,
Yeah,
and
it
click
says. Yeah, it says to my word 20 times.
20 times. Very good, Aditya. So, okay. See, this condition is very important. What we write. So very simple, Aditya. We tell him the range, start and end. We tell what's to be printed, and we tell gradually you have to increment. Gradually you have to change also. The start value should change. And a time would come when the start will reach, Wilson is getting +1, +1, +1. A time would come that it will become more than the end value, which is 20. And when it becomes more than the end value, the loop would stop. Is understandable properly, Aditya, to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, now let's try to try to see how much we can interpret it properly. Aditya, if I tell you to print me numbers from 1 to 10, what change you will do in this program?
What did you say?
Numbers from 1 to 10.
You just need to write 1 to 10, I guess.
Can you change what you will change? Aditya? Suppose need Aditya to print it 10 times.
You would have to do something with the start. Maybe you have to change the variable.
Yes, very correct. Good, good. But which variable would it be? The start variable or the end variable?
End variable.
Correct, Aditya. Very good. What value will change? The end variable?
I think you'll change it to variable x.
We'll change the value of variable n to, instead of 20, we'll change it to 10.
Oh, okay.
Right? So it will be a new range now. It will not be printing till 1 to 20. It will print till 1 to 10, and that is what we want. We want this time the name to be appearing shorter. See? Okay. Okay. Now, Aditya, instead of name, I want numbers to be printed. Can you guess what should I change in line number 6 then? I want number 1, number 2, number 3 like this to be printed.
I don't know.
Can you think? Can you try? Can you suggest?
Do what? Write 1 through 10?
I want to print number 1, 2 instead of Aditya. I want to print 1, 2, 3, 4 like this.
Then you can just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, then we are not utilizing the computer's potential properly, completely. I want the computer to write for me. So Aditya, since the start value is 1 and the start is getting incremented to +1, +1, +1, so I would better just write start here. When write start here, what will happen? The start value the value of start will be printed. And the first value start is 1. Then the start becomes 2. So 2 will be printed. Then start becomes 3. 3 will be printed.
I don't know.
Can you try this, Aditya, to see how it affects?
Oh, okay. What do I have to do?
In line number 6 you have to change. At line number 6 you write start.
You have to write start instead of write, right?
Yeah, write start. Only line number 6 you have to change it.
Yeah, nothing's happening.
So what output do you get?
Nothing.
Okay, see when you run the program, you set and run, click, I'm getting numbers when I run.
How?
Because we are printing the value of start. And what is the value of start? Start is 1, then the new value start becomes 2. So it will go on, then the loop will go on, like while this start is getting executed n number of times. How many times? Total 10 times.
Oh, I see what I did wrong.
Yeah, you can just change the line number 6, I think.
No, I put. Yeah, it works. I get all the way to 19 though.
19 you got, okay. Because you have written here something 20, and would have been 20 here, that's it. Correct?
Right.
Aditya, but you understanding what is happening?
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yes.
We need to ensure that you have understood it very properly. So we'll try to make things different and try. Aditya, okay, so this is the always Aditya. Whenever the program is given, always look for the range. Teacher has told you from where to start and where to end. That two things you write down first, and then you write the condition and whether incrementation or decrementation. See Aditya, I ask you now to print me. This time we got numbers from 1 to 10. I want numbers from 10 to 1 to be printed. Numbers from, I want the descending numbers to be printed. 10, 8, 7, using loop. So what change do you think should be done? Any idea, anything you can share?
What?
I want Aditya, numbers from 10 to 1 to be printed. 10, 9, 8, 7 like that.
I don't. And to start.
10 to 1 Aditya. So what
Yeah, on line number 4, you change start to end to start.
Okay, just do it. Just give it a try in your computer. Give me the feedback. Run it. Is it working for you?
No, it's not working.
Okay. Anything else to start? What is the question, Aditya? What I told you?
How to make.
What is the question?
I got something. Oh, I figured it out. I think I saw one second.
Good, very good. Give it a try, Aditya. Give it a try.
Oh, when I do it, I get negative numbers. I get like 1, -1, -2, -3, -4.
Okay. I need numbers from 10 to 1 to be printed. So what is the start now this time?
One second. Yeah, nothing's happening. I don't know.
I will help you, Aditya. What is the start this time? The start is we need numbers to start from 10. Well, change
Yeah,
the
that's what I was doing. I did that. I already did that.
Very good.
Yeah,
And what is the
I
end?
did it then. And then I did start minus 1.
We have to start from 10 and go up to 1. Right? And what all numbers come in between has to be printed. So, but when you check the condition, if the condition state is start less than equal to end, it's like asking is 10 less than equal to 1? No, 10 is not less than equal to 1. 10 is greater than equal to 1. So since it is no, it will not go into the body of the loop. So what we do is we have to make it into enter. So we'll change here also while and is greater than equal to start. This is important. So in a way, we are making it to enter into the loop, writing while and is greater than equal to start.
Hello?
Okay, while and then here we have to decrement. Start 10, then it to put a 9, 8. So we write a minus sign there instead of a plus. So try this, Aditya, at number of places you have to change.
I don't know what happened. What do I?
You have to just change, Aditya. So as you see on my screen, change line number 2, line number 3, line number 4, line number 7. Change it.
End the one I did that for. End to start. So I was close. I did end to start, and then I
Good, good.
did minus.
Very good.
That was close. That's good.
Very good. Yeah, slowly you will understand, Aditya, as you practice.
Yeah, it works.
So are you getting when you run, reset, run and click? Are you getting? Oh,
Yeah. Are you 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1?
okay, very good. Very good. So no, Aditya, you should not be getting. I've done wrong. I should have written end equal to end minus 1. How you got? I'm surprised.
What?
End equal to end minus 1.
End to end minus 1. What do you mean?
Okay, wait. We'll write start equal to, wait, start equal to start minus 1. Okay. So start we are decrementing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, start we are decrementing from 9, 10 to 8 and like that. Okay, and right up here, right up here, start. So now when I reset it, so you're getting the values properly, Aditya?
Yeah.
Are you getting 10, 9, 8 like this?
Yeah.
Very good, very good. So this is the way in which we deal, we change, we modify. Okay, Aditya, let's give a try to something more. Okay, if I tell you, okay, now this time, Aditya, I want numbers from 1 to 10, but all the odd numbers to be printed. What are the odd numbers, Aditya?
1, 3, 7. Numbers that cannot be divided.
Very good, divided by 2. Okay, I want odd numbers to be printed from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. So can we just try the program again? So can you try, Aditya, what would be the start value, what would be the end value? I'll give you some time. Think.
What are you asking? I'm confused.
I want numbers from 1 to, all the odd numbers from 1 to 20 to be printed.
Okay. 1 second, may I go to the bathroom?
Yes, it's true.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I had to get water too.
No problem. Okay, so Aditya, we are trying one program, last program, wherein we want to display all the odd numbers from 1 to 10 or 1 to 20. So can you just think what would be the two you could try?
Hello?
Hello, yeah, Aditya. So we
Yeah, I
want
cannot hear you. My speaker is very glitchy. Let me go downstairs and get my speaker, okay?
okay. Okay.
Thank you. I got it.
Good. So Aditya, yes. So we'll to make some changes and see how this program is to be done. So again, since the question is to display numbers, all the odd numbers from 1 to 20, the start is 1, end is 20. Okay, and we'll write start is while start is less than equal to end, so that we can enter into the loop, display the start, and this time only the change we have to do is start plus 2 instead of writing start plus 1. So it will be like first time it will display 1, then it will display 3, then it will display 5. So it is like an odd number getting displayed from 1 to 20.
Okay.
So quickly, can you try Aditya this program and see the output?
I'll be doing it.
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Very good, very good. Okay. So one small thing we'll try, then we'll stop. If I need numbers from all the even numbers, Aditya, from 0 to 20, so what change should I do in this program? Any thought process on this, Aditya?
No.
Okay. See, very simple. Instead of 1, I'll start from 0. So when I write 0, it will be 0 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. If I start from 1, it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, all the odd numbers. If I start from 0, it will be all the even numbers. Agree?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So I think we can stop this much for the day. We'll keep this much for the day, Aditya.
Okay.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.